because that thing expensive. But JoAnn's. I said I wasn't going back there, y'all. I said that I was not going back to JoAnn's until they had a big sale, and to me, that was a big sale. Hey, Sotasticers, welcome back to the channel. What's going on? It's your girl, J Sotastic from J Sotastic Sawa. I don't know, but we have been doing a lot of sewing over here. I've been working on projects this weekend for clients, so I've been busy and I haven't sewn anything for myself, which is okay. That's fine. But there is an elephant in the room back here, okay? The elephant cost me $99.42. Check out the elephant. Woo, y'all see it? I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes, she back there. Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Y'all saw the elephant in the room over there. Y'all see her? Y'all see her? Yes, she was $99 and we taxed $104 over at JoAnn. So if you've always wanted one, go get one because they were originally $800. So I had to go get one, and I went and got one because somebody, influencer, influenced me to do. Who was the influencer? Let me go over here and see who the influencer was. It was, hold on, Tequila B True Love Designs. Girl, you made me go spend some of my coins, and I was trying not to spend no coins, but you made me go spend some coins when you told me you got yours for $120, $119. So with taxes, yeah, a little bit more. But Wisconsin, on the other hand, girl, they had a whole shelf of these things. Now, I have been doing a little bit of research, so I wanted to share some of that with you guys. If you can see my screen, I have on there, the Ditto patterns and how it works and stuff like that. So if you're looking for somewhere to get the patterns, there is a whole Ditto website, y'all, a whole Ditto website about these patterns, and they seem to be reasonably priced, just as you would buy them in, JoAnn's or Hobby Lobby or somewhere else, even something cheaper. I really like this dress, so I know I'm gonna get the Adelaide dress. I'm still trying to find my style, things that are going to fit me and, hide some of my, disguise some of my flaws or whatever. So I'm learning my style. So y'all give me a break while y'all see me sewing these clothes. And sometimes they look right, sometimes they don't. At least to me. Okay? That's all I'm saying. To me, y'all. I ain't saying it about y'all, but I need to find out what style works for me. And I think that I'm doing it. So right now, they were showing me 60 out of 762 results. So there are more patterns on here as you go. More and more and more. Look at that. They got the circle skirt. It's called the Aspen skirt, $12.99. They got coats, Avery dress, all of that kind of stuff going on. So they got some cute stuff on here. This is cute. The baby dress from Ditto. And then they tell you about this Ditto, how it works. You can select and customize your patterns, launch the Ditto app, compatible with multiple devices, and then project them and then cut. So those things are there, and here is the website. So make sure you go to the website and check things out before you get your Ditto set up. So this is what it looks like right here. I don't know if it comes. Ditto is transforming the world. It might come with this in. I don't know. I haven't opened my box up, but should I do a reveal? A reveal? Yeah, let's do a reveal. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let's see if I can get her open. Okay. She comes very nice to carry and open up. And they have like Velcro openings on here, trying to make it easy to open. And oh my gosh, y'all, it comes with its cutting board. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me bring y'all. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Okay. Let me bring y'all down here a little bit more so we can see what's going on. Oh, okay. I'm going to try to zoom it up, but I'm recording this right now. So it's a Ditto starts here. All right. So you get your little pamphlet in there. See that? Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. You get your own Exacto. Okay. An Exacto. Oh my God, what are these weights or feet? Okay. These feel like weights, and you get 4 of them. Let me see if I can show those to y'all in the screen. Here we go. Get 4 of those. Okay, let me see if there's any information on here about what's inside. There's not, but if I go to the website, I'm pretty sure you can find that. So what's inside is, on the side, you get the high-tech projector, you get the beam, 2 parts, power cord and adapter, a cord cover, a bubble level, I guess that's the level, target stickers, rotary cutter, fabric weights. Yeah, those are fabric weights, y'all. Exclusive Ditto cutting mat. Okay, so you get a cutting mat and everything. And here are all those items. Let me see what's in here. The red dots. We'll find out later once I get it open what we're going to do with all of this because I have no clue. Okay. And let's see. You got the cords. You get 2 different cords in there. Put those right there. These are the legs that hold the projector. I'm going to put, here's one. Okay. Oh, this one's kind of heavy. There's another one. All right. And here's the projector. There's the projector. And it says Ditto on it. And there's the camera. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what else we get in here. We got a whole cutting mat, y'all. You get a whole Ditto cutting mat that you can put together. So it's always nice to have another cutting mat. So that'll probably go on top of whatever so I can calibrate and do all that kind of stuff. And then some other little sliding parts. Let's see if there's anything under the foam. Nope, there's nothing under the foam. So it comes nicely packaged, you guys, for protection. And these are the other 2 parts in here. And I'm sure this holds the camera to lean over everything. So let me put it back. You like it, Winston? What do you think, Winnie Motorcycle? Huh? What do you think? Whew. Yeah, let me put this all back in here. Put this in there. Okay. Let's put it all back. I hope I wasn't all in y'all way. Okay. These things are heavy too, y'all. These are nice heavy weights. Okay. Dots. And I know some of y'all already up to speed on all of this. You probably got a projector already, but I don't. And I want to learn how to use it. So when I get to that point of how to use it, I'm going to come back and share with you guys, and we're going to just do a video on that. Okay. There it is, y'all. The Ditto. So it comes with a whole book of instructions on how to put it together and how to calibrate and do all that. And now I'm out of breath. I share with y'all the website that it's on. And soon as I saw her video this morning, she had a premiere. Tequila had a premiere, and I saw something about the Ditto, and I was like, "Oh, I gotta go see what she got," and because that's something that I had been wanting. That's something that was on my wish list. So even if you don't want to follow the instructions, it's a quick and easy to set up and use. Link on over here. Is this a link? Let's see. Yeah, and it tells you how the Ditto works. So it does all that. And yeah, after that, you good to go, girl. You good to go, man. I can't be any more happier. And I'm not going to make this video much longer because once I get it all set up, I don't know if y'all want to go through the setup process with me. But if you do, hit the like button and leave me a comment and say, I do. So if you want to get married to your girl through the Ditto process, say I do. Okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. So thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for supporting me. Welcome to those who are new. Welcome back to those who are not. I appreciate you all. The channel is growing. Let's keep it growing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And just, do whatever. Do all the things. Do all the things, y'all. Do all the things. And some of y'all doing all the things. I just need you to watch the videos. The whole video. Well, okay. The whole video. So with that said, I'm going to let you guys go because I got work to do. I got to get back and finish these projects, and I got some work to do with work. So talk to y'all later, and I'll see y'all in the next video when we do the Ditto set up. And I'm going to buy a pattern so we can get things set up on there and go from there. Okay? All right, y'all. See you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Love y'all. Thanks for watching.